This is the Fitbit Versa 4, and it might just be the best Fitbit that was ever made. With a bright AMO LED display to view your important information even in direct sunlight, enough battery life for longer workout sessions, and several fitness tracking sensors to provide accurate information into your well-being, it's easy to see a lot of things to like about this Fitbit. However, after testing this out, I can tell you it's far from perfect, and you just might be better off with something else. Let's find out why. For starters, it has a similar design as the previous model, but it comes with a noticeably thinner, lighter design which makes it more comfortable to wear over extended periods, along with an updated raised wristband to help provide a more comfortable fit. It's also available in 4 different colors and offers several different styles of bands so you can personalize the look based on your preferences. Unlike the previous model, it comes with a physical button on the left-hand side that's much more responsive and easier to navigate during physical exercise. And the interface has tiles function to customize the home screen to your liking. The build quality is also exceptional and offers up to 50 meters of water resistance, which makes it suitable for pool time or shower usage. It features a square-shaped AMO LED display that comes with a solid 336 by 336 pixel resolution, which can reliably produce a crystal clear full-color image and legible text with important notifications. It also offers wide viewing angles and exceptional brightness so you can view your important information at a glance even in brighter settings. It doesn't offer the battery life of some other competitors in this range such as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, but it can still reliably last for around 6 days of usage on a single charge to track your more rigorous workout sessions. I also like that it has a fast charge function that can deliver a full charge in less than 20 minutes, so you won't have to wait too long for it to be functional. Though more demanding fitness tracking features can drain the battery significantly faster. So it has a solid battery life and a comfortable design, but that might not matter if it can't accurately track your health metrics. It comes with an impressive range of built-in sensors and fitness tracking features that can accurately help you keep track of your daily activities. Unfortunately, it lacks some more advanced features such as the ECG app, an EDA sensor, or a skin temperature sensor, which are found on the higher end models like the Fitbit Sense 2. It's perfect for tracking more basic metrics, and it comes with a built-in GPS model to track your outdoor exercises or routes without needing your smartphone. It also has 40 built-in sports profiles to track your preferred activities, including more demanding workouts like HIIT sessions or niche activities like dancing, along with a 24/7 heart rate monitor and an SpO2 sensor to track your oxygen saturation levels. Like most other Fitbit models in this range, you can also get sleep tracking with an optimal alarm time function that can help improve your sleep quality, all-day stress tracking, mindfulness and breathing exercises, and more. I also like that it has daily readiness score so you can tailor your workout schedule around your energy levels, though you'll need to purchase a premium subscription to access more advanced insights. Even more, it has sensors that utilize pure pulse technology to potentially detect signs into irregular heartbeats. In contrast to some of Fitbit's cheaper fitness trackers, the Versa 4 comes with a solid number of smart features for the price. It offers built-in notification and call support for your smartphone, Fitbit Pay support for your contactless payments from your wrist, Google Wallet support in the future, though it's primarily designed to be a fitness tracking model. It's also compatible with the Fitbit Companion app, which allows you to monitor health or fitness insights, track your menstrual data, and more. But it utilizes Fitbit's interface instead of Google's intuitive Wear OS. Overall, the Fitness Versa 4 is a solid all-around fitness tracker that comes with plenty of sensors to help you monitor your health in a sleek, lightweight design that's comfortable to wear over extended periods. It has a comprehensive amount of sports profiles to track your preferred activities, enough battery life for longer workouts, and a built-in GPS feature to accurately track your steps and distances. So it's not difficult to see why it's been getting so much attention since it was announced. The critical flaw of this watch is the Versa 3 or even the Versa 2 are still both solid options. The Versa 2 actually was almost as popular as the Versa 3 after its release, and I think something similar will happen here. You'll probably see a big price reduction on the Versa 3, making it tough to justify the additional money for almost a similar product. With that said, I think the Versa 4 is a great choice for anyone who wants a solid mid-range fitness tracking watch that can track a wider range of sports than cheaper models. But it's not going to be a perfect fit for someone wanting all the bells and whistles of a high-end competitor. But that's just my opinion. Let me know your guys' opinions in the comments down below. For links to updated pricing on all the items mentioned, check out the description. If you guys learned something or find this video helpful at all, give the video a like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel and like short informative tech videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.